12 zodiac signs and their elements of the nature. Fire sign, passionate, energetic, and bold, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius zodiac sign people will have adventurous, courageous, charismatic, confident, dramatic, philosophical, and optimistic nature. Coming to earth sign, practical, stable, grounded. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn are the zodiac signs which have reliable, patient, love comfort, detail oriented, analytical, perfectionist, ambitious, disciplined, responsible. Coming to air sign, intellectual, communicative, social. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius zodiac signs are having the more curious, adaptable, charming, diplomatic, innovative, independent, and visionary mindsets. And coming to the last three signs, water signs, these are emotional, intuitive, and deep. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces are the signs. So these are having sensitive, protective, and intense, mysterious, dreamy, empathetic, artistic nature.